Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. You will not find a nicer Fairlane, guys. Just a killer car. Bought it from an older man out of Tennessee. I've been doing this a long time, man. 30-something years, and I've been going one of these same shows forever. He's had cars sitting up on that hill forever, and I've never been able to buy one. Great guy, does most of his own work. Just builds beautiful cars. Of course, he builds them for himself. He doesn't build them for other people. He's a Ford man. I just advertised a white Mustang that he helped a buddy of his build. But this car, just take your breath away, gorgeous. Love the color combination. Factory Wimbledon white car with the nicest Emberglo interior I've ever seen. Even my wife, who doesn't get real excited about old cars, she fell in love with this thing. Matter of fact, she even told me, I think you got to keep this one. But great car. We drove it for the weekend in the heat, at night, windows up, air on. Just an awesome car, man. And I can't remember the miles. I'll have to look into it. There's not many miles on the car since he built it. All the paperwork. He bought this car originally out of Kansas. It had 37,000 original miles. Came with all the paperwork, the window sticker. So he said he started with just a beautiful car and then took it apart, completely apart, complete body off restoration. And look how nice the grill is on this car. Chrome's in excellent shape. I mean, it is turnkey. Take it to a car show. Now, he did add these. These are 67s. He likes those, and they work. They're all functional, light up when you turn the turn signals on. But just great car. Again, all the paperwork goes with the car. You want to nitpick something, you can nitpick right there. Looks like when he put the trim on, he put a couple little marks in it. But all this stainless is nice. Like I say, just a beautiful Emberglo interior. Gorgeous paint. And you want to talk about just a baby doll when you're driving it. Car just hits the road great. It's got a Ford 351 Windsor crate engine. He left all the tags and everything on the engine, all the markings, so that if anybody ever needed any information off the engine, it's all in there. It's got an AOD overdrive transmission. Look how straight that car is down the sides. Full wheel disc brakes, sitting on 17-inch chrome US mags, BF Goodrich rubber. I love this car. If you guys can't tell that by now, I'm telling you, I'm not a real Ford guy, but I'll tell you what, man, I love this one. This car is awesome. In such a unique color combination. Like I say, everywhere we drove, when we jumped out of it, people had to look at it. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. Again, Ford 351 Windsor crate engine. It's got the Easy EFI fast fuel injection kit on it. It's a roller engine, MSD ignition. It's got a set of ceramic Sanderson headers. Again, AOD overdrive. It's got a Fat Man Fabrications front subframe on it with a power rack and pinion steering. Again, MSD Digital 6A box on it, aluminum radiator with a shroud. And like I say, it is a roller engine. Pretty car. There's turn signals in here, they light up. Let's see how nice that 8-pillar chrome is. New mirrors. And he said he started with a beautiful car. New carpet, I mean, everything's new. But I love this interior, man. I'm telling you, it drove people crazy. Bucket seats. It's got that cool package tray in the back. Wood wheel. Bucket seats, console. 35, 630, 35. So it must have been 32,000. So he's got, maybe it was 33,000 we bought it. So he left that alone. This has been all redone. He said new quartz clock. Now that radio it's a factory radio, then he sent it out and they convert it. He's got the name of the company, everything's written down too. He wrote everything down for me. So it's got a couple thousand miles on the restoration. He's got some aftermarket gauges under there. AC blows ice cold. Magnaflow H pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's got an 8-inch, factory 8-inch rear end with 376 gear. Posi unit. Again, this is all the paperwork on the build. This is all the pictures on the build. This is a listing that he did for me. There's a ton more receipts in there. There's your original clock. There's all the original paperwork to the car. Factory jack with spare. Killer car, man. Just a nice car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that website. Make sure you're keeping track of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Man, subscribe to our YouTube. That's a great way to get, you know, to really keep up with us. These seats are super comfortable. You can tell he went through and repatted them all. Even the clock works. The lights on the center console work, they light up. Like I say, AC blows ice cold. Just a good car. Yeah, we were down there, it was about 90 degrees. My wife and I, we had the windows up, cruising. We were kind of giggling, because I'm not a real air guy anyways, and she was in there with me, and it was hot. And that air will freeze you out of there. This is a cruiser, and all your little lights in there work. Great. Yeah. Gauges down there are all functional. Yeah, air blows ice cold in there. Oh, turn your turn signals on, Jordan. I forgot to show them those. Yeah, those are all functional. Hopefully you can see those working. That's the only thing I didn't turn on. Didn't turn the wipers on. But they work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of what we got coming. What a car. Traffic today, yeah. First nice day we've had in 3 days. Yeah, I like this car, man.